This is the analysis of Hindalco Industries. Company overview and operations. Hindalco Industries Limited is a subsidiary of the Aditya Birla Group, is a leading player in the global aluminum and copper industries. Founded in 1958, the company has grown into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise with operations across various countries. Hindalco is known as for its extensive aluminum and copper production capabilities surviving industries such as construction, automotive, packaging and aerospace. Hindalco was initially established as a Hindustan Aluminium Corporation Limited in the 1958. Its first production facility in Renukut, Uttar Pradesh, became operational in 1962 with an annual capacity of 20,000 metric tons of aluminium and 40,000 metric tons of alumina. In 1989, the company rebranded as Hindalco Industries Limited and expanded its operations. A major milestone in Hindalco global expansion was acquisition of Novel Inc. in 2007, making it the world's largest rolled aluminium producer. Further strengthening its global presence, Hindalco acquired Arise Corporation in 2020, allowing it to enter the high-end aerospace market. Hindalco operates a fully integrated aluminium value chain covering bauxite mining, alumina refining, aluminium smelting and downstream processing. The company also owns several captive power plants to support its operation, including Renu Sagar Power Plant in Uttar Pradesh, 826.57 megawatt, Hirakud Captive Power Plant, Utkal Aluminium Captive Power Plant, Aditya Captive Power Plant and Mahan Power Plant. Hindalco also operates a significant copper division under the Birla Copper branch. The company's copper refinery located in Gujarat produces high purity copper cathodes and rods along with valuable byproducts like gold, silver and fertilizers. Hindalco Aluminium Division's offers a wide range of products including standard and specialty aluminas, ingots, billets, extrusions, foil and rolled product. In the copper segment, the company supplies copper cathodes, continuous copper, cast copper rods and a precious metal extracted as byproduct. In the line with India's renewable energy goal, Hindalco announced plan to enter the solar module manufacturing sector. The company is setting up a facility in Mundra, Gujarat to produce solar modules, aligning with India's target of 500 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. Thank you for watching this video.